Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, paragraph 12, part 1. The hatred of Juno. Hercules Alcmenae filius olim in Graecia habitabat, hic omnium hominum validissimus fuisse dicitur, at Juno regina deorthrum Alcmenam oderat, et Herculem adhuc infantem necara voluit, misit igitur duas serpentis sae vissimas, hae media nocte in cubiculum Alcmenae venerunt ubi Hercules cum fratra suo dormiebat, nec tamen in cunis sed in scuto magno cubabant. Serpentes iam apropinquaverant et scutum movebant, itaque pueri e somno excitati sunt. In this first portion, we will translate and analyze from Hercules here in the beginning down through voluit. Hercules, the son of Alcmena, once upon a time lived in Greece. This guy, of all the people, is said to have been the strongest. But Juno, the queen of the gods, hated Alcmena, and, when Hercules was still an infant, she decided to kill him. This easy story begins with the subject Hercules, and it is masculine singular nominative. It is also third declension. We then have an appositive phrase where one noun, Filius, restates another, Hercules. So Filius is also masculine singular nominative, and Alcmenae is a feminine singular and genitive. It is a Greek name that has been put into Latin. It has been Latinized. Hercules, olim, here's our adverb. Once upon a time, Greek pote, like so. Once upon a time, in Graecia, there's our prepositional phrase with Graecia in the feminine singular and ablative. Once upon a time was living in Greece. Habitabat, third singular, imperfect, indicative, of course, and active. From the first conjugation verb habito, habitare, which means to dwell in a place. The story goes on. Hic, masculine singular and nominative, a demonstrative adjective here used as a substantive, that is, a pronoun, and referring back to Hercules or to Filius. This one, omnium hominum, masculine, plural, and genitive, a partitive genitive, of all people, is said to have been the strongest, validissimus. So here is another masculine singular nominative, just like hic. It's the predicate of hic, we could say, and it is a superlative adjective. It's a superlative adjective. The positive degree, validus, of course, in the masculine singular nominative, the comparative, validior, and here the superlative. Fuisse is the perfect infinitive of esse, is said to have been, or to make it more idiomatic, they say that he was the strongest of all living men. So that is exposition. Now we're going to get a little bit here of the conflict. But Juno, feminine, singular, and nominative, Hera among the Greeks, of course. But Juno, now another appositive, just like we had Alcmenae filius, now we have regina deorum. Here we had genitive, then nominative. Now the order is reversed, nominative, then genitive. Isn't that nice? But Juno, the queen of the gods, deorthrum masculine, plural, and genitive. What did she do? She hated Alcmena. Alcmenam is our direct object, feminine singular accusative, and oderat is a defective verb. Odi, like so, is the third principal part. There is no first. There is no second principal part. And this then is the pluperfect technically, but it serves as a simple past. She hated Alcmena, and when Hercules was still an infant, so here we have Herculem and infantem, masculine, singular, and accusative, with this temporal adverb in the middle, she wanted to kill him, necare. What is the object of necare? It is Herculem with another appositive. And voluit, of course, is from the irregular verb, volo, velle, third principal part, volui. This form, therefore, voluit, is a perfect tense.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.